Alright, so here in Marks, Mississippi, looking at the project that will result in the building of an Amtrak stop here in Marks, and you can see the concrete's already been poured, and expect the canopies and everything else that's going to be associated with this will be here soon. It's supposed to open up at some point next spring. Don't know exactly when, but from what my folks have told me, construction's been going pretty well, pretty fast, and so this is milepost 67.33 right here in the crossing. So there's a concrete sidewalk that they're putting in so people can go get a bite to eat at the little Mexican restaurant right there on the right side of the sidewalk. And of course, here's the Canadian National main line for the Yazoo subdivision. We'll see exactly what happens with this over the next few months. Hoping to come back here in late March, so we'll see where it's at then. But I know the people of Marks and Quitman County are pretty excited about this particular project being completed, and I am too, as a native of this area.